I ran into this last week. Here's what fixed it for me. If you're trying to check your payment history on Orange 2026, follow these simple steps. Step 1. Open the Orange app. Launch the Orange app on your device. Make sure you are logged in with your account credentials. Step 2. Navigate to Account Settings. Once you're in the app, look for the Account or Settings option, usually found in the bottom menu. Tap on it to proceed. Step 3. Select Payment History. In the Account section, find and select the Payment History option. This will take you to a detailed view of your past transactions. Step 4. Filter your transactions. You could filter your payment history by date or type of transaction. Look for the filter icon or drop-down menu to customize your view. Step 5. Review your payments. Take a moment to review your payment history. If you notice any discrepancies, you can usually report them directly from this screen. If you follow these steps, you should have no trouble accessing your payment history. If you run into any issues, don't hesitate to reach out for help. Happy checking!